I'm playing with you. Jade. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah. Talk, talk, talk. She's not talking. Okay, let me see. Let me see what you're doing, Jelana. Oh, Grandma found it. Wala nga. Bakit? Di ba maraming maliliit? Wala na. Yung aso nila. Pero may aso. Pero may aso. Oh, Grandma can hold it. Mother, di ba may aso? Oh! Jelana! I have to hold it? Wala yung aso? Bakit ang laki naman ng paa nito? Parang pa ako yan. Parang namamaga yung paa. It can't stand though. Oh! I tried to stand it. Here you go. All good. Oh, she need the walk now. She need the shoes. Oh yeah, you can do that. Your shoes gonna be nice. How about this one, Jelana? Oh, grab. Oh. Oh. No shoes. No, bakit hindi tumatayo kasi ni Grandma can... Oh, I know now. So it can stand like this. So now we put it there so she can stand like that. See? Oh, she's gonna be playing with Grandma. I know, it is a hard work, totally. Well, you know, kids, impatience in general. What happened to her eyes? Grandma's eyes. What happened to her? Oh! Pumayat si Dong. Bakit ka pumayat? Ano suot mo? Pumayat ka? Bakit? Ah. Ay, hindi ka binigyan ng gamot? Oh. Sana all. Jelana, tell Ate Dong you're live. Jelana, tell Ate Dong you're live. Pangasar mo si Julin. Mother, tignan mo, ipadala mo na lang sa Pilipinas yung mga ibang laruan. Jelana, can we send your toys in the Philippines? The old one.
Saan may bibigay?
Ha?
Lahat yung mga maliliit.
Sa school na lang ah. Ani?